Hi everyone, my name is Jana and welcome to my YouTube channel where I'll be talking about lifestyle, makeup, and anything under the sun. So today we will be reviewing MAC lipstick MAC Maker by Maine Mendoza, and I'm so excited to try this out with you guys. Medyo nag-hoard ako kaya dalawang lipstick ang binili ko, and I also got this lip glass. I'm not really into lip glasses kasi hindi ako yung tipo ng tao na mahilig magsuot ng mga glossy stuffs on top of their lipsticks. Mas mahilig ako sa mga matte lipsticks, but I just decided to buy one for myself kasi parang interesting yung color niya and interesting yung opacity na nakita ko dun sa finish niya. So mamaya, ita-try natin to. So I just received them in the mail today and it came in this box. So ito yung box na pinaglagyan niya. I'm very excited to try this with you. Hindi ako nakabili last time nung new lipstick niya na nauna, which was the nude one. I actually saw it in the store. I tried it on. I swiped it on my lips and I didn't think that it was the right shade for me. Although it was meant to be for the Filipinas na iba-iba ang mga skin tones. This time, I decided to give it a try because I love wearing red lipsticks. Mahilig ako sa red na deep. Excited na akong makita to. Napraning lang ako kasi feeling ko talaga magugustuhan ko siya. So, bumili ako ng dalawang lipsticks and then one lip glass. Itong box ng lipstick niya has her signature lip marks. Yung kanyang bullet ay gold. So, napaka-luxurious ng feel. So, eto siya. And when I open, this is how it looks like. I like the packaging because it feels luxurious. Mukha siyang mamahalin siya pag nilabas mo gold. It's very similar sa mga dating lipstick, which is like this one. I'm also going to do a comparison video with some of the red lipsticks that I already have. So tignan lang natin kung meron siyang kahulay. Baka kasi merong similar na color pero may konting difference lang. Kasi napansin ko with MAC, ang hilig nilang maglabas ng mga lipsticks na parang konting-konti lang yung difference. Pero I guess they decided to do that because it caters to the different undertones. Ito naman yung lip glass. 0.10 fluid ounces or 3.1 ml. So medyo marami-rami siya. This is how it looks like. It has a doe foot applicator. It smells so good. Typical na lip glass. So, swatch ko muna siya for you. Did you see how rich that red shade is? It's very opaque. I've never seen any MAC lip glass na ganito ang consistency. So, ang pula niya. So, subukan muna natin. I'm going to try the lip glass first. I've applied it on my lips. It feels really good and it's very pretty. Bagay siya, I think, sa pagka-dark ko ngayon kasi kakagaling ko lang ng beach. This is not usually my skin color, but I could see that it really looks good on morena or darker skin tones. So it's very flattering. It's a very flattering shade of red. So now let's move on to the lipstick. So excited to try this. Medyo light pa lang yan, ha? Ooh, okay. So this is how it looks like. It reminds me a little bit of Dance With Me, yung retro matte lipstick nila pero on a liquid formula. Kung makikita nyo to in person, meron siyang cranberry undertone. So, hindi siya basta-bastang red lang kasi dark siya, deep shade of red siya. And it has berry undertone, and I really like these kinds of reds on my lips. I always start at the bottom, so ayan, pak na pak, diba? Ito yung klase ng red na magugustuhan ko talaga. Alam ko na magugustuhan ko siya. The moment na nakita ko na yung mga swatches, the moment na nakita ko yung ads na nilabas nila for this lipstick, I knew it was going to be a shade of red that I will definitely love. Am I happy with my purchase? Yes, I'm very, very happy. This lipstick also reminds me a bit of Diva, so I'm going to do some comparison swatches side by side. Before putting on any bold colored lipstick, you should exfoliate your lips first. You should get rid of the dry skin that's on top of your lips kasi hindi maganda ang kapit ng mga matte lipsticks pag merong dry and flaky skin on top of it. Okay, now so let's do a comparison of the lipsticks that I have with me, the matte lipsticks in particular that I have with me. I feel like yung Diva parang medyo kulay. So I have this Diva lipstick, medyo paubos na siya. And yeah, medyo patog ko kasi magkakulay sila. So this is the MAC Maine DCM lipstick, the MAC Maker lipstick, and this is Diva. So medyo may similarities sila ng konti. I don't know if you could even tell on camera, pero medyo may pagka-purple lang siya ng konti, and this one is a bit red, pero they have pretty much the same undertone. Definitely what Maine Mendoza had in mind when she was formulating this is to suit every Filipina skin tone. So she did such a good job. Will I recommend this product? Yes, I highly recommend it, especially if you're looking for a deeper shade of red that's comfortable to wear, that's very, very flattering on every skin tone. I highly recommend that you purchase it. So, mabibili niyo siya sa Lazada. The lipstick is 1,100 and the lip glass is 1,200. Also, yeah, sorry, I forgot. I wanted to swatch it on top of the lipstick. So, subukan nga natin. Medyo hindi lang talaga ako komportable na nagsusuot ng lip gloss. Minsan, kapag kunyari hinahangin yung buhok, napupunta na siya sa lips, so dumidikit siya, and it's very, very uncomfortable. Ito na yung lip glass on top of the lipstick, and I love it. I really, really absolutely love it. Napaka taray. So that's it for my review on the MAC Maker Maine DCM Red Lipstick. I hope it was able to help you in deciphering whether you're going to purchase the lipstick or not. So if you like this video, just put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. See you again next time, ladies. Bye!